Fast, no bake, and infused with coffee, a luscious creamy filling, and dusted with cocoa powder. Decadent and authentic, but so easy. First, we'll just add coffee and brandy to a shallow bowl. Dip the ladyfinger in the coffee. Don't soak them, just quickly dip them on both sides to get them wet. Then lay them in a single layer on the bottom of a 6x6 pan. Next, we'll prepare egg yolk in a bowl. Then we'll add white sugar. Whisk it until the sugar is dissolved. Then guys, place it in a saucepan with some simmering water, whisking constantly for about 8 to 10 minutes. Add vanilla essence and transfer in a bowl. Set aside, then let it cool. And guys, instead of using mascarpone cream, I use cream cheese instead and whisk it until fluffy. Then just add the egg yolk mixture and fold it until creamy and well incorporated. Set aside. Now we'll prepare whipped cream and add our cream cheese mixture. Then fold it half into the whipped cream, just until it's well incorporated. Then we'll add the remaining whipped cream. This is just to avoid lumps. Assemble the tiramisu by layering the creamy filling between ladyfingers that have been dipped into coffee. Then just repeat, guys. Cover and put in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours to allow the ladyfingers to soak up all the flavors of the creamy filling, coffee, and brandy. And evenly dust with cocoa powder and serve. Delicious and unbelievably easy to make. The brandy enhances the coffee flavor and the creamy filling is the perfect complement to the bolder flavor of it. Well, that's one of the best things about tiramisu. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the bell and subscribe button if you haven't yet. Thanks and bye!